If you're looking for a reliable way to keep your dog's coat smelling fresh between baths, Arm & Hammer's Dog Odor Control Spray with Baking Soda is worth a look. Trusted for over a century, Arm & Hammer Baking Soda naturally neutralizes odors, making this spray a gentle yet effective solution for dog owners. What sets this spray apart is its subtle blueberry coconut scent. It's light and refreshing, not overpowering, so your dog smells clean without the artificial fragrance that some sprays use. Many users appreciate how the scent adds just a soft touch of freshness after each spray. Beyond odor control, this formula moisturizes and conditions your dog's coat with natural extracts. That means it not only freshens but also leaves your pet's fur feeling soft and manageable. It's an easy way to maintain a clean, healthy coat on days when a full bath isn't practical. The spray is pH balanced specifically for dogs, which is crucial because their skin is less acidic than ours. Using products designed for humans can disrupt their skin's natural moisture barrier. This formula helps protect your dog's skin while keeping them fresh and comfortable. Arm & Hammer's Dog Odor Control Spray is also free of sodium lauryl sulfate, dyes, and parabens. This gentle approach makes it ideal for dogs with sensitive skin, including puppies. You get effective odor control without exposing your pet to harsh chemicals. If you want a simple, safe way to keep your dog smelling great every day, this spray fits the bill. It's perfect for quick freshening after walks, playtime, or naps. No rinsing needed, just spray and go, making it a convenient addition to your pet care routine. Try it when you're ready to see how natural odor control can make a difference. With Arm & Hammer's trusted baking soda formula, you get freshness, skin-friendly care, and a light, pleasant scent all in one bottle. For anyone serious about their dog's comfort and cleanliness, this odor control spray offers a balanced, effective solution. Keep your dog's coat fresh and healthy without the fuss. Arm & Hammer has you covered.